Good morning! Sa video ito, pag-usapan natin kung paano ba ang step-by-step sa pagkuha or pag-apply ng Medicard, Health Card, or HMO. Steps are very simple. First, talk to a Medicard account officer. That officer will help you to process your application for following up and even for the after sales assistance. Second, choose a Medicard plan or Medicard package. And kapag nakapili ka na, filled out an application form. Pwede itong gawin via online. And then, after you filled out, send it to your Medicard account officer together with your copy of valid ID and copy of your proof of payment. After that, maghintay lang tayo ng notification from Medicard na na-approve na ang application mo and for printing na ang health card mo. And after that, wait lang tayo na ma-deliver ang iyong health card into your doorstep. Usually, 3 to 5 or 7 working days, marireceive mo na ang iyong health card. And at last, meron ka ng health card ni Medicard. And kung meron ka pang questions or concern about Medicard or health card ni Medicard, please feel free to message me anytime. Happy to help. Ingat!